was really good. I think, you know, there's great prize money, there's great like incentive for the youngsters as well. You know, there's a junior men's final today as well, which is great. And being away for a little bit, I can notice that there's just so many more people here, and you know, different faces that I haven't seen before, and it's great to get more people into our sport.
My target at the start of the year, I set down with coaches, was the final and come away with a medal here, which is mission accomplished. So that's a great feeling. But yeah, I just hope to continue on in the series, to obviously take as many medals as possible in the series, and also just prove my position in the Great Britain team to keep taking team places and hopefully bringing back international medals is what we want. It was quite an endurance this weekend, and you know, it was whoever could hang tough out there in these conditions. So yeah, really pleased that I kept it together and finished strong. Yeah.
The coldness, the wind, the snow. I think I've been lucky with a few of the ones I picked, because I honestly just haven't seen them, and the buzzer hasn't gone, so I thought yes, result.
This is only the second time I've ever shot in snow, and this is the hardest I've ever shot in snow. When it's flat on the ground, it's fine, but shooting against that bank is quite difficult. Yeah.
Do you think you've learned anything from it?
Keep plugging away. Don't ever give up.
Yeah.
It's been the message of the weekend, and you know, it's good to prove to yourself you can dig deep and pull it out when it counts. Yeah, well, it's fantastic to see most of us in the final there, and as it should be, hopefully. So yeah, good competition, you know, friendly rivalry, which is good. It really pushes everyone on. So it's good to see that the British students really strong. We all bounce off each other, and we all know if we're pushing each other further, then we're taking on the rest of the world in the same way. So yeah, no, we're supportive teams.